Okay. So, this is a laptop, and it's a foldable screen. And you can pick it up and pull it out. It's got a kickstand on the back, and then it's a 17-inch screen. And it's all, touch screen, etc. Or you can find a break it, fold it, see, and you can grab that. Well, let's X out of it. Anyway, you can scroll up and down like that, or it's got a Bluetooth keyboard. If you put it on there, it becomes just a laptop. And then it folds up like that. I want this for Christmas. That's coming from a Mac girl. I mean,
I am too.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
That is so neat. Thank you so much.